doing today is we are taking the Canadian border down to the U.S. So what we got going on, let me tell you, it's amazing how I watch some videos and USA is so uninventive and no imagination to their fast food game. Like I'm watching and Canada's got ghost pepper cheeseburger and they got right here what I'm about to create. They have Pizza Hut in Canada has made the Pizza Hut KFC chicken popper pie. Now, JustFoodReviews did a review on this. Didn't fare well. It faced the hammer.
It's a nice idea, and it's good to see different fast food restaurants collabing together, but this one's a loser.
So what I said was, you know what? I'm going to make this happen. We are going to make this happen. But I added my own little twist and turns to this. Here's what I got. First of all, I went to KFC. And let me tell you something. The hands down most unhelpful people I have ever met. It's like, how lazy and stupid can you be? I go there and ask for, God forbid, there was nobody in there. And it's like, you know, I'm annoying them from coming in. And all I asked was, first of all, popcorn chicken is not on the menu. I said, you got popcorn chicken? And he's like, yeah. I go, well, how do they come? How, you know? And he just points to 2 boxes. Dude, how many come in here? Like 2? Like, is that hard for you to answer? You just got to point? Idiots. So here's what I'm going to do. Got Pizza Hut. We got just a plain cheese pie. But instead of marinara sauce, I went with a little BBQ sauce on this. That's right. Now, I know in the original one in Canada, what they have is they do the popcorn chicken. Oh, my God. All right. They do the popcorn chicken, gravy, and corn. I'm going to kick this up a notch. I got the buffalo barbecue cheese pie, popcorn chicken, gravy. That's right. We're going to move this along, baby. Mac and cheese we're putting on this. My creation. I'll do what I want. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a little gravy. Little splatter of gravy in there. Splatter that around. Actually, it looks kind of dry, so I could use this. Splatter that around. Nice. What should I do? Chicken first or the mac and cheese? Or mac and cheese first and put the chicken on top?
Probably chicken first.
All right. She wants chicken first. So we're going to put the chicken on there. Nice chicken. Nice popcorn chicken on this baby. Look at that. King Ben, how much does the U.S. version of the Pizza Hut KFC chicken popper pie go for? What are you charging for this? Well, $13.09 for the pie. And then at KFC, I don't even know what KFC wound up costing me. What did KFC wind up costing me?
I think it was 16.
16? So this is a, actually it's not that bad to be honest with you then. This is a 30-something dollar pie. I've paid about more than that actually in the past for French onion soup pizza. All right, what we're going to do is, let's see how this is mac and cheese alone. Wow. That's actually pretty damn good. Let's see what this is. We're going to throw this in the oven real quick and come back and see what we got. I give you the Pizza Hut KFC chicken popper pie. fresh out of the oven. Going for that piece right there, baby. All right, here we go. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Oopsie daisy. Put that. Messy as hell, obviously. This actually, this ain't that bad. I'm giving this, you get hit. What happens is, you got the creamy mac and cheese. The popcorn chicken has a little bit of a kick, but then all of a sudden at the last second, you forgot about it. You get hit right in the kisser with a little BBQ sauce that I had on there. Not marinara sauce, but more BBQ sauce. I'm giving this 8-1. 8-1. Pizza Hut of USA. Get on your game. Get on board. Get this done. Why is everybody else getting this done? We can't get this done. We've been under quarantine now, house arrest for a year. Got to kick up our game. Give us something. Well, everybody's all locked up. That's that.